You're watching Old and Broke. Wait, before you scroll, this might be the realest finance channel you'll see today. Look, we're not gurus, we're not millionaires, we're just old and broke. And yeah, we made this channel to try and make some YouTube money. But the truth is, money is broken. Inflation's chewing through your savings. Rents are up, stocks are down. Nobody ever taught us how any of this works. So we figured, why not learn out loud and bring you with us? We're building a channel that's simple, honest, and educational. No hype, no fake flexing, just raw truth about money, gold, silver, debt, and how to survive this crazy economy. YouTube won't pay us a dime until we hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So if you like what we're building, help us get there. Subscribe, like, share. Even just watching helps. This isn't just about us, it's about building a space where regular people can finally understand money and maybe not feel so lost, so broke, or so lied to. We're old and broke, but with your help, we won't stay that way. Subscribe, watch, share, and let's rebuild truth in finance together. You're watching Old and Broke.